Going to do a walk around video, show you the overall condition of the car. It's in beautiful condition. The paint's gorgeous. All the chrome, very nice. All the windows, very clean. Even the like rubber trim going around, just beautiful. All the glass, great condition. Let's see here, rubber trim, fabulous condition. The body's extremely straight, the paint's deep, a lot of gloss, a lot of shine. All the chrome in the front, very nice as well, and the trim. Just a stunning car. There's a ton of photos of the underside online as well. We just put the car up on the lift and took all those photos for you. The interior's very, very nice. The dashboard's super clean. No rips or tear or fading on the dash. That's in very, very nice condition. All the dials were restored and gauges at one point, so they're in really nice condition. The car does have a speaker in here, and it's hooked up, and the antenna is hooked up as well. If you want to put a radio in it, all you have to do is remove this plate, and then you just put the radio right there. And then right behind it is all the hookups for the antenna and speaker. And that clip goes right on. The carpet's really nice too. There's only a tear right here. And it's only one piece, so if you want to replace that, you can. But the rest of the interior is immaculate. All the seats, all the carpets, the headliner, perfect condition. All the doors, all the trim, paint, the chrome. It's a very, very nice car. Has seat belts in it. So the seats are in perfect condition. All the doors. Look back here in the rear. You actually have a pull down right here, armrest, and then there's trays right here, ashtrays.